Okay, hello everyone. Guys, looking at day 37 warm-up. All right, let's take a look at it. Guys, it starts with three graphs. Just use a triangle, guys. Again, slope is rise over run. So I'm looking at this. Looks like it goes down or down 1 and over 2. Down 1, over 2. All right, so the 1 is on top and the 2 is on the bottom. So it's either a half or 1 or negative half. And this is pointing down, guys. Down. It's going down like this. When x gets big, down. It's negative a half. Now look at this one right here. Goes up 4 over 2. All right? Up 4 over 2. So the 4 is on top, the 2 is on the bottom. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is positive. It's going up. Positive 2. All right, the slope is undefined. Straight up and down is undefined. All right? Find the slope of the line between these 2 points. Negative 5, 5, negative 7, 9, negative 7. Oh, well. See, they got 2 negative 7s here. This is going to be an issue. Let's see if I can... All right, these are our 2. And I use the formula. Slope is the difference in the y's over the difference in the x's. And I just write the points upside down. So this is the x and the y, so I make sure the x is on the bottom. All right. Again, 5, negative 7. Write the point upside down. Then I put a negative sign. Then write this point here upside down. 9, negative 7. Okay, this is pretty easy, this top. When you see 2 negatives like that, that's means they're both positive. This is just negative 7 plus 7. That's 0. Guys, that answer is 0. All right? You can kind of see that with the negative 7s there. All right, let's look at the next one. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to flip back to here. All right, guys, this point here again, m equals. Slide this down a little bit. So I got a lot of moving around I'm doing there. All right, there's a point 12, negative 5. You're going to write upside down, 12, negative 5, just like that. And I put a negative sign. And I write the other point right here. Make sure the x is on the bottom. It's 9, negative 1 or 1? 9, 1. All right, guys, negative 5 minus 1 more is actually negative 6. Guys, we're adding 2 negative numbers together here. You get a bigger negative number, negative 6. 12 minus 9 is 3. This is negative 2. All right. Next, I probably don't have to do all these. Let's look at this one. Okay, guys, m equals. That's the slope between 2 points. That's what we're doing again and again and again. Find the slope given 2 points. Uh-oh, we got these 2's again. All right, 2 and 2, the x's. That's going to be trouble. Well, let's write the point upside down. 2, 3, minus, minus. The next point is 2, 9. We don't have to go much further here, guys. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 on the bottom means this is undefined. What's undefined? You can't divide by 0. It's undefined, okay? All right, let's look at this next one. That's an M, sorry. All right, guys, the point is negative 12, negative 1. And write it upside down, so the x is on the bottom. Next one looks like 15 and 11. That's the setup. You got to get the setup right, okay? And I'm adding 2 negative numbers together there. That's negative 12. I'm adding two negative numbers together here. That's negative 27. I can divide those, huh? By 3. All right, first, two negatives make a positive. Look at that. Two negatives, this is a positive number. Divided by 3, that's 4 over 9. Divide both by 3. Look, you guys can get most of these. Okay, this one here, guys, again, we flip back to here. Guys, y equals mx plus b. Right, this is the slope. Right there. And this is the y-intercept. Right there. Right? Again, it's the thing that's with the x, with the variable, is the slope. The thing that does not have the variable at all, that's the y-intercept, because when x is 0, that's what y is. All right? So each one of these, they're pretty easy, guys. The slope is 4. The y-intercept is negative 2. Here the slope is negative 2. The y-intercept is negative 4. All right, here the slope is 1/3. Right there, 1/3. The y-intercept is 2. Here the slope is negative 1/3. And the y-intercept is 0 plus 0. Okay? All right, match the graph to the equation. All right, guys, this is going to be minus 2, has a slope of 1, 2, 3 over 1. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2, there it is. All right, again, this one is the plus 2. Plus 2 and then a slope of 1, 2, 3, 3x plus 2. All right. 3x plus 2 right there. All right, this one is up 2 over 1. This is a slope of 2. This is 2x plus 3. And look at the slope. 2x has to go through the 3 plus 3. All right, this one's also plus 3, negative slope. Plus 3, negative slope is that one right there. All right. You can see that one's negative. This one's positive. All right. Number 8. All right, 3, 3, negative 3, negative 3. So this one goes through 3 with a positive slope. So that one right there, 3, positive slope. This one goes through negative 3 and a negative slope. Negative 3, negative slope, that one right there. Negative 3, negative slope, right there. Now this one here goes through negative 3, but that's a positive slope. Negative 3, that's a positive slope. So that one right there. And this one is positive 3. It goes through positive 3. The y-intercept is positive 3, but the slope is negative. And that one's right there. All right. Last one. I think you guys know this. This has a slope of 0. This is telling you that y always equals 5. Y always equals 5. Where this one here is telling you x always equals negative 2. X always equals negative 2. That's what that's saying. All right. Well, that's it, guys. Please submit that.